Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, hey traders, welcome to another edition of Market Update Time with me, this guy, Johnny Howe. Alright, I have just finished doing my trading, guys, and I'm loving trading right now, guys. There's so many amazing opportunities. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyway, I'm going to be sharing with you right now. Right now, we're starting to get that turnaround. I did a video yesterday. Did you watch the video yesterday? I hope you watched the video yesterday. I did the video yesterday saying, you know what? We're probably going to get some sort of turnaround soon. And bam, today it happens. I didn't expect it to happen today. It may be a little bit more of a pullback and then see a move. But the mining stocks are getting that turnaround already. Oh my goodness. That's so... Yeah, it's so amazing. I'm excited, guys, because what I'm seeing in the market is starting to take form and starting to take shape in the market. So I'm going to be looking at that, bit of an update on the stock market, plus also, guys, one stock that I believe is set to make some really nice moves to the upside. So without further ado, let's actually get into the good old stock market. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm running a webinar today to teach you exactly how I trade the markets. If you're looking to learn exactly how I do that, whether you're trading futures, forex, stocks, options, if you're looking to learn how I trade the markets and look and learn, see my scanning, my how I scan the markets to find amazing opportunities every day, and how I only do it for 1 hour per day, link in the description. Go click on that, or John's, Johns, johnslivetraining.com. Join me today, guys. Let's go have a look at this here, because here we go. It's going to shock most people. But the thing is that I'm noticing that, look, where do I put my pen? Anyway, so so we're looking at the good old the GDX. Okay, so let's have a look at this here. Let me we've got a weekly chart to the right, but let's actually not focus on the weekly chart right now today. Let's actually just focus on the last sort of couple of months. And one thing I'm noticing here from the last sort of couple of months is, let me just remove this trend line. We're starting to see this beautiful, beautiful upward trend. Look at this here. Absolutely just beautiful upward trend. We had this low point through here, and then we had a beautiful pullback, and then we had another move up, and then we had a really nice sort of okay pullback, and then we had a move up. Then we're getting a beautiful pullback, and look at this bounce off this trend line. This trend line today is just amazing, right? And we're getting a turning point back in the commodity cycle. And guys, I'm telling you right now, and I've said it a million times, people are so focused on the crypto market. Look at the mining stocks. The mining stocks, oh my goodness, guys. Like, crypto's already done its big move, and it may be getting ready for, who knows, right? But mining stocks, all right, mining stocks, it's just like, it's incredible, guys. There's so many amazing, even in the equity market, guys, there's so many amazing opportunities out there right now. I'm so excited. I actually got out of a trade today for a loss, but that's okay. It was only a small loss, and then I got into a new trade today, and the positions I'm in right now, I'm just so excited for the rest of this year, guys. This last third and fourth quarter this year, the second half of this year, guys, gonna go on, right? It's on like Donkey Kong. And so anyway, so get a move up, and now we're getting a nice little breakup bar like that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful breakup bar like that. So this could be the start. We're getting a bit of a pullback. This could be the start to see another nice move to the upside, getting a nice little pullback off that support line. Move over now through to the GDX, and the GDX didn't quite come back down to the support line. If we're having a look at the lows there, it didn't quite come back down to it yet. We are getting a bit of a nice little up bar today, and a nice increase in volume. Look at that volume increase today. So we could be getting ready, and I was saying yesterday that I'm just looking around all my other screens, and I'm just looking and I'm going, you know what, guys, we're getting ready for a turning point. I said that even yesterday. I'm like, and here we are today. Boom, you know, nice little over 3% in the gold juniors. Looking at the SILJ, and same sort of thing that's happening here, right? Nice little sideways and a lovely little up bar. It's it's a bit different with the silver juniors, because we are still holding this level through here, so we're still holding it, and so that's going to be the hard problem there. But I do see the way I'm seeing this right now. I do see we're probably likely to break out to the upside and continue seeing a very nice move here. And moving over now through to the SIL itself, the SIL, and same sort of thing here. We're just holding here quite nicely. We definitely want to see a break up, but we're probably going to start to see some continuation here. Looking at this particular, let me actually bring this in just a little bit more so I can just, so that'll be the line. I like to use that line here. And the reason why I'm using this line here is because you can see we had the start through there, and look at all the touches through there, and we almost came through there. There's only just this one bar that broke out, but that was the main touches. Whenever you're drawing your trend lines, what you want to do is you want to get the most valid touches as possible. So you can see that'll be the line I'd like to use at this point in time, looking at the SIL, and now we're just going sideways. So to me, I believe we're getting ready to do something like that real soon, because now we're just spending time going sideways, and a turning point, guys, is starting. I believe, it's starting. I truly believe that. Moving on now through to actual gold, though. Gold, once again, gold has been holding this trend line here for quite some time. You can see really just going sideways here. We had a little bit of a reversal bar today, as you can see. You can see how it actually ran down, came back up, and closed high. So that's what's happening right now when it comes to gold, and then also coming to also silver as well too. Silver, once again, has been in this very nice sort of triangle pattern through here. It's going to be so exciting. I really want to see confirmation of a breakout first, guys. And if we can get the confirmation of a breakout to the upside, then and then I see that it's going to be, we're going to see some pretty nice moves. I see the next major resistance level. Where's that? Let's go to the weekly chart here for a minute. The next major resistance level, the next major resistance level is at this sort of level up here around 36. There's a few little resistance, but the next major one is around 36. So if we can break this level through here, and as you can see, we've definitely been squeezing up into a triangle pattern. So silver looks like it's about to start to break out. It's starting, guys. To me, it's like things are just starting to heat up. Again, silver, we need a bit more confirmation of a breakout. Moving over now through to the stock market and looking at the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones itself, if you look at the last, say, 6 months, you can see we've been in this very nice upward trend line. We've just been going sideways here for quite some time. We want to see the Dow Jones start to break out. Yesterday I did a bit of a warning sign of a bit of an indicator to watch out for. But I do believe that's going to be a warning sign, but we need to see the price action first. We need to see the market deliver that to us first. We need to see the confirmation of the market tell us first. Don't assume something's going to happen. Wait for the confirmation. For example, silver. Right, we need to wait for confirmation of a breakout first to give us confirmation we're now likely to start to move towards the other targets that I had just a minute ago. So we can see that through there, right? Sideways, and now we definitely like to see, I do see we're likely to start to see some movement to the upside. S&P 500, same sort of thing. We're just holding here. We did actually make an all-time new high in the S&P 500, so it's going to be interesting to see how this holds up. Do we just continue up from... Guys, either way, right now on a short-term basis, we're seeing this. But with all this low interest rates and stimulus, and guys, right now we are in an environment, guys, that is so much bigger than 1999 and the 2000 bubble. You know, they didn't have the massive stimulus going on. They had like 5% interest rates and so on and so forth. Right now, interest rates and a bonfire of liquidity in the markets. And they're still doing it. They're still trying to print more money. It's like... So, guys, this has been the year for just amazing move. And the big one for me is the tech sector. I truly believe, guys, the tech sector, as you can see with this Nasdaq, has been squeezing up into this triangle pattern. We are getting ready to break out, and we are getting ready to run to the 16,000 level. It's going to be on like Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong is coming to town. Are you going to go see him or not? Or are you just going to sit on the sidelines and maybe jump on something that's already made massive moves already? All right? Don't do that. Buy low, sell high. All right? You don't buy high, sell low. That's what most people do, right? Most people actually do that. They wait for Bitcoin to go from 10,000 to 60,000, then they buy it. It's like, no, that's buying high. Wait for something to not, all right? Anyway, so that's what the good old Nasdaq is doing right now, and that's what we're seeing through there. Now, moving over now through here is one stock. It's a bit of a gift for you guys. Let's actually go through here. Adobe. Adobe. All right, cool. So I'm seeing Adobe right now, guys. Adobe is starting to break out. We did have like a bit of a, we had like a bit of a channel, as you can see, nice channel that was going through here. And then we actually also had this resistance point coming down through here. You can see how we're starting to break out now. We had this high, came down, found support through here, and now we're breaking to the upside. So I expect to see overall, not every day, but overall for the next few months, I now have a target of $600 on Adobe. I think it's incredible. And again, but there's no guarantees of this making a profit. So always protect yourself, guys, no matter what is happening. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Remember, make sure you go to John's, JOHNS, livetraining.com, because on that live training, I'm going to teach you exactly how I trade the markets. If you look at my trading system and how I trade the markets, and also how I scan the markets to find amazing opportunities every single day, and also how I actually lost $250,000 and almost went bankrupt to becoming a full-time trader. If you'd like to learn that and you'd like to see all the details about that, then go to John's, JOHNS, livetraining.com, or there should be a link in the description. Go to that right now, guys. Have a good day.